In this video, we'll discuss on the analysis of variance, or better known as ANOVA. So we'll discuss on the one-way ANOVA. What is analysis of variance? Is the collection of statistical models used to analyze differences between group means and variations among and between group means. So how do we go about it? Especially for the one-way ANOVA table, we have the source of variation, we have the source of variation, we have the sum of square, we have the degree of freedom, we have the mean square, and we have the F-statistics. So we can now rule this and define all the terms. For example, for the treatment, which is between the groups, for the treatment, we have sum of square treatment, we have the degree of freedom is k minus 1, and we have the mean square treatment. Also, for the error, we have sum of square error, we have n minus k. For the degree of freedom, we also have, for the mean square, we have mean square error. Now, if we rule another line, this becomes the total. So this is sum of square total and the degree of freedom total. That is it. Now we'll define all these parameters. This is a typical example for the one-way ANOVA table. Now, first, we'll start with this. What is K? K is area K is equal to number of groups. What is N? N is the number of sample size. N is number of sample size for a given data. Now, what of the sums of square treatment? The sums of square treatment is equal to summation of as j running from 1 to p into nj xj mean minus x the grand mean, x bar minus the grand mean. Now, that is for sums of square treatment. How about the sum of square error? To calculate the sum of square error is equal to summation of as j running from 1 to p, then sum of as I running from 1 to n, xij minus x bar j. So this mean is between groups. How about sum of square total? How do we compute the sum of square total? The sum of square total is equal to, as j running from 1 to p, summation as I running from 1 to n into xij minus the ground mean. This bar is called the ground mean. This and this are the same, while this is the mean between groups. Also, if you have the sum of square treatment and the sum of square error, you can easily get the sum of square total. That means if you know this and this, you can easily know this. The reason is because the sum of square total is equal to the sum of square treatment plus the sum of square error. It can be gotten like this. So the sum of square total can be gotten by adding these two, the sum of square treatment and the sum of square error. Now, how about the mean square? The mean square treatment. The mean square treatment is equal to the sum of square treatment all over the degree of freedom treatment. So the mean square treatment is equal to this divided by this. That means the sum of square treatment divided by the degree of freedom treatment. This is the treatment. Now, how about the mean square? Okay. How about the mean square error? The mean square error the mean square error is equal to the sum of square error divided by the degree of freedom error. That is how to get it. Remember, where k is the number of groups and n, this n is the number of sample size. How about our F statistics? Our F statistics, how do we get it? Our F statistics is simply the mean square treatment divided by the mean square error. Now we have the mean square treatment divided by the mean square error. The mean square treatment divided by the mean square error. So this is simply how the one-way ANOVA table can be computed. This is how we can compute the one-way ANOVA table. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Like I said, this is simply a one-way ANOVA table. So as we have written this, it is very easy to compute the one-way ANOVA table. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel to get our subsequent videos on how we can apply all we have written here.